The Eurasian coot, also known as the common coot, is a member of the rail and crake bird family found in Europe, Asia, Australia, New Zealand, and parts of North Africa. The coot boasts a sleek, slaty black plumage with a glossy black head and distinctive white bill adorned by a striking frontal shield. Interestingly, coot species are ubiquitous across the globe, but South America is home to the greatest diversity of these waterfowl, boasting an impressive array of unique variations. With its habit of swimming around on the surface of open water and diving down to get its food, it is easy to assume that the coot is some sort of duck. But a quick look at its legs and feet soon dispels such a notion. Rather than being webbed like those of the duck, the toes are not joined but individually lobed, and the coot's legs are long, enabling it to run along the ground like a sprinter. The Eurasian coot's impressive vocal repertoire consists of crackling, explosive, or trumpeting calls that are often heard at night. This bird species is known for its aggressive nature, particularly during breeding season when it becomes strongly territorial. Both parents take an active role in defending their territory from intruders. While the Eurasian coot may form large flocks outside of breeding season to avoid predators, they are generally reluctant flyers that prefer running across water surfaces with a splash before taking off into flight. This behavior is also observed when traveling short distances at speed in territorial disputes or on land to escape from intruders. The species has adapted well to living in urban environments and can be found in parks and gardens with access to water, much like its relative, the common moorhen. The Eurasian coot builds a bulky nest that floats on the water or is constructed in shallow water on low-lying stumps or logs. The nest structure consists of plant stems and leaves lined with finer material, often concealed in vegetation, but sometimes placed openly. Both sexes contribute to building the nest, with males collecting most of the materials, while females incorporate them into the structure. Juvenile Eurasian coots are paler than adults, featuring a whitish breast and lacking facial shields. The adult's black plumage develops around 3 to 4 months old, but it takes about 1 year for the white shield to fully develop. During their first 3 to 4 days of life, young coots rely on brooding by the female, while males bring food. Males also construct platforms used for roosting and brooding chicks. The Eurasian coot is an omnivore that feeds on a variety of small live prey, including eggs from other water birds, as well as algae, vegetation, seeds, and fruit. Its feeding techniques vary greatly, with the bird grazing both inland and water environments. In aquatic settings, it may upend like a mallard or dive to search for food.